Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into something a little different, but just as important, oral care. I'm reviewing the Practicon SmileGoods Adult Dental Care Kit. This kit comes with 72 pieces, including toothbrushes, toothpaste, and floss. It's designed for comprehensive daily dental hygiene, aiming to keep your smile fresh and healthy. So here's the scoop. The kit is bulk-sized, perfect if you want to stock up, or perhaps share with family, or even in a professional setting. The toothbrushes are standard adult size with soft bristles, the toothpaste tubes come in a travel-friendly portion, and the floss is the classic mint variety. Using this kit was straightforward. Everything feels familiar and easy to integrate into a daily routine. The toothbrushes are gentle enough for sensitive gums, but firm enough to clean well. The toothpaste has a refreshing mint flavor that isn't overpowering, and the floss slides comfortably between teeth without shredding, which is often a concern with floss. I tested these over a couple of weeks, using the toothbrush and toothpaste morning and night, and flossing once a day, and overall the experience was good. The kit's convenience lies in its all-in-one nature, especially for those who appreciate having everything ready without buying separately. Now, for the pros. The bulk packaging means great value if you're looking to save on dental supplies over time. The quality of each item meets basic dental hygiene standards. No complaints there. The toothbrush bristles stayed intact without fraying early, and the toothpaste didn't dry out between uses, which can happen with travel-sized tubes. On the flip side, the packaging is quite large and heavy, which might be a bit cumbersome for personal use if you have limited storage. Also, since this is a bulk kit, it may not be the best fit if you want premium or specialized dental products like whitening toothpaste or orthodontic floss. In terms of value, the kit delivers solid bang for your buck if your priority is basic, effective dental care. You're essentially getting a 3-month to 6-month supply depending on usage, which beats buying individual products repeatedly. For quality-conscious shoppers, though, if you want a more customized or advanced oral care routine, you might look elsewhere. Comparing this kit to buying standalone brands, Practicon SmileGoods leans towards convenience and cost-effectiveness. You won't find high-end ingredients or luxury packaging, but it's reliable and practical, especially for families, travel, or office use. The build quality of the toothbrushes and floss holders is sturdy enough to feel durable, but obviously won't rival professional dental tools. The toothpaste tubes seal well and stay fresh, which is key in a bulk set like this. I haven't had to reach out to customer service, but Practicon generally has a good reputation for prompt responses and helpful support, which is reassuring. If you're considering alternatives, smaller sets from popular brands might offer more variety or specialty options like whitening or enamel protection, but at a higher price point per item. This kit is best if your focus is straightforward, everyday dental hygiene with minimal fuss. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap things up, the Practicon SmileGoods Adult Dental Care Kit is a practical, no-nonsense option for those who want to keep their dental routines simple and stocked without frequent repurchasing. It's ideal for individuals or families who value convenience and cost savings over premium ingredients or specialized care. If you want dependable basics in bulk, this kit has you covered. Thanks for watching. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. If you've tried this kit or have your own favorite dental care combos, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.